I'm John Spencer, and this is exactly that. So, all played back to back in session for us. Funeral, Rock Box, Ballad of Joe Buck, and Do the Get Down. And here we are.
All right, Blues Explosion, we got to do this right now. We got to pay respect. I said Jack and Jill go up that hill. They got the fence up there on the wall, and everybody get it. That's right. Blues Explosion. Thank you very much, BBC. We got to do this thing right now. All you want to do is hold one to the spot. Are you ready? Here we go. We got to use it to find to get what she got down. Let the hammer drop up. License and registration, please. It was a natural record, so they set him free. Come on. I said, Jack, you go up that hill. We got the fence up there on the wall and everybody get it. Use a mathematical equation of formula in this new way. Go get it up. And we stop. Come on now. Summer, spring, winter, fall. Come on, don't your head just like a basketball. Go get it up. Second the leg. Come on. Right now, ladies and gentlemen. Place to be front to the back. I want to see everybody. Attack. Yeah! I want to know right now who's ready to do it. Come on. You got it, baby. Yeah! And the hammer swinger. Fellas, are you ready to hit it and quit it? Countdown, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Come on! Motivated! Energized! Respect! I got a rock box, baby! Down in New York City! Everything is so pretty. I got a rock box, baby. I said C, but G, but not the place to be. But you gotta make a left on the bow. Got a lot of dudes just before a chord about two boys been out of order. Rock box, baby. I'm down in New York City. I said the place is so pretty. I got a rock box, baby. Everybody wants just a little bit more, but you gotta get money just to get the dough. Don't spread and follow, cause the door is sneaking to the back out. Come on! Square cut of a 1 and 2. Come on, do it! Let's go! Rock box, baby! Rock box, baby! Rock box, baby! Rock box, baby! 666 days! Driving this truck, I got my dog on my side. You do that's enough. I'm a lover, I'm a sharer. I always say class. I got a 360 engine on a 250 chassis. On the magnetic strip. Get back on the wheel, cause got your trip. Rockin' in and I road trip. check versatile. Got a two-soul heaven in every mile. I'm taking my home from door to door. I'm looking down the barrel of a 44. What's that? Retired to a palace in California hill with the bank, a chicken that they could kill. So the Walmart parking lot to I stay. Gonna grab a good shut the fire tray. Unknown Detroit ass is dead. I got my coffee drinking soda about a full of egg. Come on! Yeah! 1967. Ladies and gentlemen, Blues Explosion live on the BBC here with Mr. Mark Hamill. We got to do this thing right now. Ladies and gentlemen, Judah Bauer, Russell Simmons, Blues Explosion, Freedom Tower. Come on, everybody. Yeah. Get down. That's what we got to do. A beautiful man, get down, short chest pants and shorts and shirt. Get to work right now up on that stage. The world's oldest teenager, clown of France with no ass kissing buddy. Oh, you just don't know what you've been missing. There's a brand new dance that's going around. Get with it. We got to do it now. Get down. That's what we got to do. First you drop a moan few time in the front, drink an all back quick and then with a bump at the cruise. So I last see you say, oh, baby, is that clear? Hey man, what goes on? Think it's so good, look at the rock looks right. Oh, fellas, we got to realize that's the funkiest man alive. Somebody scream, somebody stop the beat, somebody got them on the reason. I will find out of the cold actor. Come on, you tell me that, sir. To the like right. Ain't who you know, but who knows you like dog, chicken, a bang going. Are you ready? Come on! Get down. So we got to do.
Russell, Judah and John, so proud to have been able to put a John Spencer Blues Explosion session in the BBC archive from 2015. And just to tell you that Michelle very kindly printed off a list of all of the sessions and guests that we had on from year zero. That would be 2004. And just reading through it, it's quite incredible, really.